Today, the 13th of July 2024, Hamster Kombat daily code. The word for today is trust. TURST. Please, if you are seeing this channel for the first time, do it to subscribe to it, like this video, and share it with others. And if you have any questions regarding any of the videos we've dropped earlier, deem it fit to drop your comment under the comment section. We will always be available to attend to it. So without further ado, let's get it started. The first word, which is T, is a dash. The R is dot dash dot. The U is dot dot dash, and the S is dot dot dot. While the last T, it is a dash. And that will be all for today, guys. Please do well to subscribe again, like this video, and share it with others. Till we meet again in our next video, do well to stay safe. Bye for now.